In physics, we sometimes see these combination units that are a product of units. Now, the simplest ones would be things like area, which would be meters times meters. And if you're familiar with work, you can think of that as Newton times meter, but we gave that a name, joule. Here are a few new ones that you will encounter when you study electricity: the ampere hour, the kilowatt hour, and the electron volt. So what are they? An ampere means a coulomb per second, and an hour is 3,600 seconds, 60 times 60. So if you do 1 coulomb per second times 3,600 seconds, you get 3,600 coulombs. That is a measurement of electric charge. It's a large amount of electric charge. Meanwhile, a kilowatt is 1,000 watts. An hour, again, is 3,600 seconds. So 1,000 times 3,600 is 3.6 million. A watt is a joule per second. So joule per second times second is joules, 3.6 megajoules. A kilowatt hour is a unit of energy. It's a house-sized unit of energy. An electron volt means the amount of charge on one electron times 1 volt. The charge on one electron happens to be 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19 coulombs. And the definition of a volt is a joule per coulomb. So the coulombs cancel out, and again we get joules. This is also energy, but this is an atomic-sized unit of energy. For example, a photon of visible light has energy on the order of a few electron volts. So we have different units for energy: electron volts, joules, kilowatt hours, depending on whether you want something house-sized, ordinary-sized, or atom-sized.